package, and then we're gonna, it's a thing that I wear, and then we're gonna, style some outfits with it. Yeah. Here's the package. Ew. Oh my gosh. It's a pink corset. Oh my gosh. Look at the, like, flower designs. It looks like cherry blossoms. Ah, perfect for me. I've been looking for like a pink flowery floral corset for so long, and I finally saw one that I liked after like 6 months of searching. So I'm glad I got this when I did, because it's gonna look great. Let's go style some outfits now. Oh man, I gotta thread all this now. Yeah. Gotta make sure I can still breathe. Why is this so long? Just stuff it in there. Yeah, that's fine. This could be tighter. As tight as possible because I'm tiny. Ta-da! Oh wait, I think I can push my boobs to make them look a little more full. Yeah! Oh my gosh! It looks like I have cleavage. Oh my god! I love it! I love it! As someone who has like really tiny boobs, and sometimes I want that look. It's like, ah, yay! Oh my gosh! Yes. Feel free to look. I'm looking too. Oh, this is so cute. And what if I just like put these down? Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. It's like cute cottagecore. I love it. Oh my gosh. Let's do the next outfit. Cute. I don't think this shirt was actually a very good choice. Like, I love the flower pattern, but you can't see it. So that's a bummer, but that's okay. That's why we try things out. Okay, let's do one more. Ta-da! I feel cute. This is just a simple shirt with another little skirt. This is definitely a little more casual, but it's cute. I like it. I am very happy with this purchase.